Hello everyone, this is Laurel Madison. I will be your instructor for Introduction to Philosophy, Self and Reality. And in this course we're going to be reading the works of Epicurus, Plato, and Aristotle. And specifically what we're going to be talking about is the nature of death and the soul. So to get you thinking about these issues, I'm asking everyone to write what we're calling a pre-course essay. And this essay will not be graded, but its intention is to get you thinking about these questions that you have probably thought a great deal about before. And by writing about this at the beginning of the course, you will start to frame your questions that you can ask of these thinkers. And you will also be able to see the progress that you will have made in formulating these ideas by the time we get to the end of the course. So before you do anything, any of the readings, any of the assignments, I'd like you to do the pre-course essay. And if you have any questions at all about the essay or about anything else in the course, don't hesitate to email me. And I wish you all great success in the course. All right, good luck.